circles trying to find a purpose that you already have. You've been acting out of childhood trauma, rivers learning behavior from your mom and dad. If only you could open your eyes, open your eyes. You've been craving all the validation from the people that you swore you'd never become. All of the leeches, the preachers, the demons are giving you silence and drinking your blood. If only you could open your eyes, ask yourself why are you so afraid of my love? Like you don't deserve it. You know you do, you know you do, 'cause I've been there too. Too busy holding at the moon to see the walls as they surround you. Wish I could give you everything and bring you home with me tonight. Then I tell you everything is cool, but they don't give a damn about you. So when you wake up in the dark and dark alone, 'cause you know darkness comes before the light. No more killing time. Maybe you should spend less time with Mary Jane. The jealousy and jealousy again. So on too many highs on the paper train. So I feel like you're forgetting everything. Everything about you, everything about me, everything about love. There's a love without trust. Look what it's doing to her. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna change you. I wanna stop like the one just to break you. Wish you could see it like I'm seeing it. Too busy holding at the moon to see the walls as they surround you. Wish I could give you